Hello everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we're going to be looking at the CIE, IGCSE Information and Communication Technology. We're looking at paper 3, website authoring, October-November 2020, and the course code is 0417. Okay, so let's dive in. So you have been supplied with the following source files. Okay, evidence 1, we're going to create a new word process document. I'm not sure if we did that in data analysis, so I'm just going to quickly check. Did we do data analysis? Yes, we did. Okay, yeah, we actually did, but probably just to paste something in, but we're just going to do it right. Okay, make sure your name, center number, kind number will appear on every page of this document. So I'm going to click on insert, header, 3 of them. I'm just going to paste it center. Let me just do it right. Ajiro ND, AN 017, 2023. Okay, I can delete this. I can also delete this. Okay. Okay, save this evidence document in your work area as underscore followed by your center number followed by your candidate number. Okay, click on file, click on save as. Alright, so we have AN 017 underscore 2023. Save. Alright, they said create a new folder called this. Copy, we're creating a new folder right away. I'm going to create a folder here, new folder, and I'll paste it here. They said locate the following files and store them in your OWG folder. Okay, let's do that. Right click, cut, right click, paste. This is 9 items. Switch to details. I'm just gonna probably do the dimensions right away, knowing fully well that they might ask us of dimension. If they don't, fine, but I'm just gonna do it right away. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, display the content of your OWG folder showing the folder name, all files, extension, image, dimension, and file size. Okay, if you're wondering how I knew this is just the extension. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 imaging. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so let's display the content. This will be evidence 1. Snipping tool. Please endeavor that your background is white, not dark. Okay, so let's get this done. Evidence 1. Okay, so we have the folder name, the file name, the extension, image dimension, and file size are clearly visible. Create a new web page. Call this. Copy. I'm going to open my web expression. I'm going to close this. Click on file. click on new HTML. Okay, I'm just gonna save this. Click on file, can save. Okay, alright, let's insert the table real quick. The table is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. Okay, 4, 4. What's gonna be the width? The width is gonna be 872 in pixels. The cell content in the diagram must not appear on the final web page. Cell width allow for border spacing, which should be set when your style sheet is attached in step 12. Okay, so let's go ahead and start merging. I'm going to split my screen so you see what I'm doing. Going to merge across, right click, modify, merge cell, and we have this already done. What else is merged? Each of them is merged, so I'm just going to do that. So this is merge, right click, modify, merge cell, highlight it, rather highlight, click on modify, merge cell. I think we have that settled. Okay, so let's start adding that right away. The width is 872. I want to be sure. Yeah, so obviously I'll be adding the height. Right click, cell properties. I will specify the height. The height is going to be 215 pixels. Apply it. Okay, what else? The width is going to be 200 across. Right click, module, cell properties. The width is going to be 200 across. Applied. For some reason the height is here. The width was given, the height was given there, but the height was not given, so we'll just leave it like that. The height here is 80 across, and the mistake would be to put the height here, but they are not the same. So right click, cell properties, specify the height. The height is 80. Okay, apply. The width is okay. The width right here, I think both of them are the same, so I'm just going to do that. Highlight both of them. See that has been highlighted, and click on cell properties. I'm going to specify the width. The width is 424, and the height is going to be 150. Okay, well, let's go ahead. Cell border must not appear on the final web page. Set the title of the page to, I've always been doing this, so probably if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is just an easy bug. Okay, and so obviously you go to the code, or since this has been mentioned, you can right click, go to page property. The title you change here, you type it this, you click on OK. Now if you go to the code, that is also going to be changed. Okay, place in cell A the image. Okay, and 20 logo. Okay, click here. This is going to be logo. Resize this image, the HTML, to be 872 by 215. So let's resize it. Right click, picture properties, appearance. So the width is going to be 872. So I'm not gonna. The moment they tell you that the width and height has been specified, you're not maintaining aspect ratio. Okay. 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 The high means the length. Um, FGHI. FGHI. Okay. So the text flower, copy. Okay. Landscaping G. Contact us. Copy. H2. Okay. I'm just going to be sure that the cell property is what it is. The height is specified. Okay. Place in cell B, C, D, and E. B, C, D, and E. Okay. The most appropriate image from those provided to match the text placed in step 5. The aspect ratio of each chosen image must match the placeholder. Okay. All right. So for B, C, D, just want to be sure. Okay. Okay. So flowers. Okay. Flowers. Okay. Okay. The next one is what? Landscaping. Okay. The next one, walled garden. Okay. And lastly, contact us. Okay, so when necessary in the HTML, make sure that each image is displayed as 200 pixels wide while maintaining the aspect ratio. Okay, so let's do this. Click here, right click, picture property, peers. What is again? 200 pixels. Wait. Okay, so everything is just fitting. Let me see picture. Okay, so mm, most of the time the image gives you an idea of how the height is going to be. So if the height is going to be 267, okay, that makes sense. Okay. um, Place in cell J the content of the text. Cell J, okay, that's for cell J. So let me get the content of the text real quick. Okay, I'm just going to right click, select all, right click, copy. Going to paste it here. Okay, set this to paragraph style. Now if we come to split, you see that the paragraph style has been set. PP. Okay, enter in cell K the text. Cell K, okay, yeah, see. Web page last updated by, copy. And this is going to be, just want to take this off. A new line. And a new line below this. Place your name, center number, candidate number. Okay. So what style are we adding to it? Set all the text in cell K to style H3. Okay. Add the appropriate alternate text to all image. We've done that. Set the name of the default target window to self. So what there are two ways to do it. I can right click, go to page property, and right here to default target. See that the default target frame is gonna be to self. And if you go to your code at the heading, at the headed tag, you're gonna see this. Okay. Create hyperlink from the text, contact us, and from the image. From the text, contact us. Going to highlight, right click, hyperlink. To open the web page, N20 contact. Okay, same as the image, make it a hyperlink, and from the image as well to open. So this is from existing file web page. Okay, in a new window called blank, hyperlink properties. I'm just going to do this. Type blank there. Do we have blank? Yes. Okay, as well as this hyperlink properties. Very important. That's why if we split, we should be able to see this. The link here as well as the text target in quote blank. Okay, okay, attach the style sheet. So let me click on file, click on save. Okay, I'm going to attach it. Okay, save your web page. Open the style sheet. The suitable software package. The style sheet needs to be updated to add the following properties. So let's see this. The paragraph style. So let's start with the simple, right? That has always been my. Let's start with the simple. So new style. This is a class. I want to make it okay. P paragraph is 12 points. Points, not pixels. Know the difference. Fully justified. Okay, this should be list. I think block. Yeah. Apply. Okay, so set the font for style H1, 2, and 3, and for paragraph to select. Okay, remember the style needs to be updated to add the following specifications. So we're adding to it. This is H1, comma H2, comma H3, comma then P. To select what? Sans serif. Okay. Select area if it's not available. If not, select vertical to copy. If none of these fonts are available, to select the browser default sans serif. Okay. set the background of the web page. The background of the web page so that the image is placed in only the top right corner. So if we're setting the background, okay, so the body, right? So let's set it. All right, so it's going to be the body. So let's do that. Okay, so the background, this is the background image. Okay, okay, alright. Repeat, no repeat. Okay, obviously if we have not done this, okay, if we have not done this, this is repeat, it's going to repeat, so we don't want it to repeat. That's why we're applying it. So repeat, no repeats, please. Okay, and now the background position is going to be where? Top right. So this is your X. Can I get, let me get my Microsoft whiteboard to just do a little diagram for you. Is this my whiteboard? You have a lot of things inside. Okay, so we have this. So I'm just going to do a little diagram here, and we have this. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So this is your y-axis, and this is your x-axis. So this is the top, this is the right. So obviously they want something to be a top. Okay, and then maybe a top right. So obviously it's going to be here, right? It's going to be here. So this is the top, this is your right. Okay, so now with that understanding, this is going to be top, and this is going to be right. Okay, so let's apply it, and we're good to go. No, we're not done. Set the background for the web page. To the body, modify style. Okay, set the background for the web page. So okay, so to the background color is going to be you know what, I'm just going to do this. I just pick out a color, and then I can try to understand what is happening. The blue, which is the RGB. Now they always do it as BRG. They just makes it to ensure that the RGB is, you just get it confused. Okay, so it's RGB. So the arrow is going to be AB. The 2 is for the arrow. The 2 is for the G. RGB. The 2 is for the G. The 2 is for the B. Right. So this is going to be AB. Okay. The G is going to be C5. Then the B is going to be A4. Okay. Apply. Okay, so we're good to go. I'm just going to save my style sheet. Now, we can always arrange your work. So the first one was actually the body. So I'm just going to arrange the body to here. Okay, what else? um okay, this actually came in here, and then the last thing was the paragraph. Okay, so yeah, add your name, center number, and candidate number as a comment at the start of the style sheet. Okay, it's a comment. I'm just going to do this, guys. Whoa. I want to arrange my work. When doing this, please be careful. Okay. Okay. Yes. I feel better now. Okay. Um, Save this style sheet to your folder. Take a screenshot of the content of your style sheet. Now I can take a screenshot. This is going to be evidence 2. Display the web page in your browser if necessary. Resize it so that all the page width can be seen. Okay, let me go to this and let me preview it in my Chrome. I think I'm just gonna take it. Okay, so this is going to be evidence 3. The background image is clearly visible. The address bar is visible. All text can be easily read. This is going to be evidence 3. Okay, so I think everything is readable. Okay, display the HTML source in your editor. We've done that. Take a copy of the HTML source and place this in your evidence document. Okay, and place this in evidence document. Okay. Now, if we check this, you see that the 20 spaces have been given, which is the border spacing. And if you check here, you see that this is part of the table, right? The border spacing as well. And your TD is just for your internal grid. Okay, so let's take it. Code. So I'm going to click here, select all. I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it here. This is going to be what? Evidence 4. Right click, paste. Okay, I'm just going to copy everything. Okay, and right here I'm going to remove the spacing. There's no way to have it, so I'm just going to make it 12 so it fits. It's nowhere, it's still going to fit. So save, print. This is going to be what? Print out 3. Please make sure your name, center number, candidate number appears on every page of your evidence documents. Okay. Print out 3. And please always check your printout before sending it to the printer for final printing. So go through to ensure that they are clear to you. You can see it. You know, everything is looking legibly. And if everything is looking to your liking, then by all means, okay. So yes, this has brought us to the end of this video. I think it was straightforward. The only technical part was this right here. Knowing normally in previous video you see they give you a height, they give you a weight, but in this case none was given. You just have to just use that. And then again, the another issue was still the CSS, knowing how to interpret everything and putting them in that particular order. But then again, I think it was relatively just straightforward. So thank you for watching, and please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is loaded right here with a lot of materials. Trust me guys, it's loaded. So please come into this channel and subscribe, and please practice. Okay, practice, because when you practice you become perfect, and a perfect practice gives you an outstanding result. See you in my next video. Bye.